Welcome to this new episode of the series on Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper, From A to Z.
G for Genesis block.
Very first block in the blockchain, created by Satoshi Nakamoto in January 2009. The Genesis block is unique because it has no predecessor and serves as the foundation of the entire Bitcoin network. In the white paper, Satoshi Nakamoto explained that the Genesis block was hard-coded into the Bitcoin software and contained a special message, the Times 03/Jan/2009 Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. This message was a reference to a headline in the Times newspaper on the same day, and it serves as a timestamp for the creation of the Genesis block. The creation of the Genesis block was an important milestone for the Bitcoin network, as it established the initial set of rules and parameters that all subsequent blocks had to follow. Each block contains a reference to the previous block, which creates a chain of blocks that is resistant to tampering and ensures the integrity of the entire network. The Genesis block contained the first 50 bitcoins ever created, used as a reward for miners who helped to secure the network by validating transactions and creating new blocks. The rewards then been cut in half every 210,000 blocks. In a nutshell, the Genesis block laid a foundation of the entire network, serving as a timestamp for the creation of the first block in the blockchain and establishing the initial set of parameters or rules that all subsequent blocks had to follow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos in this series.